This is a product my husband bought for our garden setup, and it's the outdoor electrical box from TICONN. It's an IP67 waterproof junction box designed to protect electrical connections outdoors. Since we're running things like cameras and irrigation components in the garden, having proper protection for wiring was really important to us. The enclosure is made of ABS plastic and feels really solid and durable. It has a hinged cover which makes it easier to access when needed. And it also includes mounting plates, wall brackets, and cable glands to help keep everything secure and sealed. What I like is that once everything's inside and closed, it feels really well protected from rain and dust. For outdoor setups, especially, where the weather is unpredictable, that added layer of protection gives us a peace of mind. If you're running outdoor electrical connections and want, a weather-resistant enclosure to keep things organized and protected, this is definitely such a practical option to consider.